Hi, guys. Today we're playing Rainforest Tower.
Yeah, with me.
Yeah.
Okay, I actually have already played this, but I've only played this one. So you wanna battle with me?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, you're so slow. I'm in front of you. It's okay if you take damage. You don't die instantly.
It's a little bit damage.
Yeah, I already told you. Oh gosh, I cannot climb them. I don't know why.
Oh shoot, they're moving.
Yep.
They're moving.
Oh gosh, I just fall.
Whoa, my gosh. It's an elevator. Oh, I fall.
You fell?
Yeah. I didn't know how that happened. Oh my gosh, I'm so pro at this one. Oh, never mind.
First to get up there has to, wait, where are you?
I'm behind you.
Are you kidding me? First to make it has to give them, okay, I think no.
Oh.
Maybe like in another map. But I'm gonna be first.
Oh my gosh.
You fell again?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Oh, you're here.
Yep.
Hi.
I cannot see you. Oh, you did. I hope I don't fall.
Oh my god.
I'm about to win.
I'm right here. What is
What
this, Ram?
I'm about to win. Oh my gosh, bless you. I hope you get better soon.
Oh, I know this one.
Yeah, you have to do it.
You have to jump to the other side.
Yes.
Oh, I fell again. Oh my gosh, I fell.
Me?
I fell way to the back of the beginning.
You fell right into the beginning. Are you serious? I'm about to win right here.
I could just walk over them.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
I'm winning.
Oh my gosh, this tower is so tall.
It's called a tower, so yeah.
Where are you?
I'm at the top.
What stage you are?
I don't know.
Oh shoot.
I don't even see you.
Ain't no way.
Dude, you're at the very ground. You want to know where I am? I'm here.
Oh my gosh, that's super tall.
That's super tall. You don't even know where I am. You just saw it on my screen, and then it was just me looking up.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell to this level again. I just climbed over. I just climbed over.
Okay.
Oh, let's go. I made it.
You have to be quick. Alright?
Oh my gosh.
You have to test the other
What
towers.
the heck?
The other...
An elevator?
The other towers.
An elevator. I did not know this yet. Oh, shoot.
You didn't know that yet? Oh my gosh. Have you been living under a rock? Even though you're Minecrafter?
Oh gosh, this one's so hard. Oh my gosh! I beat the hard one.
What's the hard one?
No. What? How?
How did you fail?
That one is the real one.
The real one is the one that you don't fall. The real one was the beige one.
Oh.
The one that goes through is for the one that is walls, not boards. You know, to make things interesting, I think for the next tower, first, the last one has to give the person a hammer that they want and flee the facility, alright?
Okay.
You got yourself a deal, bro.
Okay. I gotta be careful with this one. Oh my gosh.
Wait, what?
The wall one. I gotta jump over these. Oh my gosh. I'm in the old level.
I'm done. Look, I'm already here.
What?
Let's go. I'm going back to spawn.
No, elevator! Oh my gosh! I reached to the elevator.
What happened,
I reached to the elevator.
You better be quick.
I thought I just gonna miss the elevator, but I just made it from the elevator.
Oh, Janet joined.
Can it join?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my friend.
It's also my friend, bro.
Me too. Me too. Oh my! Oh my gosh!
Okay, you have to be quick because I don't want Janet to stay around being alone. Here, let me help you.
Okay, thanks.
Oh wait, I'm gonna say AFK. So she knows.
Oh, like that.
I need.
Hey, why you bought in here?
Recording.
Huh?
Recording.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. This is for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Ain't no way.
Sampai sini ya. Sini ya.
Next is gonna be the
Yeah.
Portugal.
No,
Portugal. That is connected with
Oh,
Portugal.
Ellie also joined.
Oh, let's go.
Ellie's my friend.
I know. Oh my gosh, you just made to that level again. A ladder. Oh. This is the hard one.
Yeah, but I did it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is the walk over.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they disappear when you touch it
Yes.
because it's an wall. Because it's an invincible floor.
Elevator. Dude, you're so left behind.
Oh shoot! This one's the wood. Ain't no way! Oh my god!
Dude, why did you talk like that? Wait, is Ellie still here? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, I think we just have to spawn. Okay.
My friend joined. Squishy.
That's not your friend, it's mine.
It's my friend too.
She doesn't know you though.
See?
Yeah, I know, but she doesn't know you.
Yeah.
Dude, at least it's AFK. So we're gonna try another tower, but wait. Tower of Coffee,
Okay.
but not yet. Don't, not that one. Oh my gosh. I said Tower of Coffee.
Oh, there's the Tower of Coffee.
Okay, not yet.
We got lots of towers here.
There's only 3.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for Ellie and Janet. Oh, Janet left. Dude, stop going into places. Okay, so okay. Ellie said she doesn't want to join the race. So if you lose, oh wait. So if you lose, you have to give me Celestial Witch Broom, the bundle.
Okay.
And if I lose, what do you want me to give you?
I will give you the. Oh,
No, I meant it like, what do you want me to give you when I lose?
interest real.
I don't even have interest though.
Oh.
Okay, then I'll give you interest. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, Tower of Coffee. Wait, what? We just got teleported. Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding me?
I thought it was like not separated. Okay, oh well. So, okay. I have also played this.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, you disconnected. Okay, we'll just play. We'll just play the same one. Rainforest. Rainforest. I thought it was in the same game. Are you kidding me? Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, you don't start. Don't start. Oh, she doesn't want to join. This is still enemy, by the way, in the game because I cannot chat right now. Wait. And then I think I'm gonna switch phones with Cyan. Okay, you wanna start?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Maybe we should add some music. Like you're too slow. Oh gosh, I just took too much. Oh, I think I'm gonna win this Celestial Witch Brew.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell to this round.
Don't forget, they have to do what they want for the facility.
When I give you the thing, I'll get the craziest hammer again. The one it's Christmas.
Jingle bells?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh. I fell. Oh my gosh. I'm in the lift again.
I think I'm gonna win here.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I almost.
You fell?
No, I almost fell on the leaf.
But at least it's better than falling until the beginning.
Yeah.
If you fell into the...
Oh my gosh. No way. Bro.
Dude, you have to be faster. I'm winning.
The friend is at the bottom here from me. Oh, bro just fell.
Ellie? Yeah, Ellie actually got disconnected. Oh gosh.
You just fell?
I'm winning, bro.
Did you just fell?
Nope.
Oh my gosh. I just keep falling.
You just keep falling. Are you kidding me? But I mean, I don't mind winning a free Celestial Witch Brew.
The Jingle Bells price.
The hammer is like 700, and then the gemstone is 700. So
Yeah, it's
So
legendary.
you need 1,400. But Celestial Witch Broom, it's like 1,500.
Oh my gosh, I fell. Oh my gosh, I almost
Oh
fell
my
to
gosh,
the
I
beginning.
just fell. At least I'm still winning.
Oh my gosh, I fell. Oh my gosh, I'm near from my friend right now.
Dude, you keep falling.
Oh, bro just died.
Are you kidding me?
Bro just did not die from the laser. Cry? You can't cry on the lobby.
You can.
This lobby looks great. The lobby looks great.
I know, but she's crying because she kept dying.
Yeah. I kept falling, but I'm still keep going.
Oh wait, so when I fell?
Y-
Oh, so when I fell was just fake. It was actually, the whole point was actually for me to fall off.
Or it can be the elevator. Oh, never right.
And then we're gonna play Flee the Facility. But I'm gonna play on your phone, alright?
Okay.
Talk to me, I cannot go. You stole me, you stole my soul. You know that song? I won!
I'm so close.
I won!
I'm so close.
Are you kidding me? I won.
No, I'm so close. I'm so close at the end.
No, you aren't. But I mean, I already won.
I will get the second place.
No, I said the first one.
First, okay.
Ellie isn't joining.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
I'm so close. I'm so close.
Oh my gosh.
Why are these pillars over here? Oh my gosh. The circle. Oh, I'm so close to the end.
But I already won. I already won. I already won, bro. I already won.
Go draw stuff.
That's what your username. Cyan draw stuff.
Yeah, I have to draw stuff. I fell. Oh my gosh. I'm still at the end. I'm still close at the end.
But I already won.
But I'm just second place.
No, there's only first place. There's no second or third. You don't get it. You don't know the rules.
The arrow is not hurting me.
It's just for pointing.
Yeah, because like right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so fast. Okay, this one is the impossible one. Finally. Oh. Oh my gosh. No!
LOL.
Bro just fell back to the beginning. Oh, hey.
Oh my gosh, stop screaming in my ear, Cyan.
I'm here from you. I'm near. Hi!
Go draw stuff, bro.
No.
7-year-old.
I'm so pro at hobbies, but a little bit. I got to record. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. I just climbed on it.
Oh my gosh, bless you, stop doing that.
Oh, I fell. Oh,
You don't even have stutter. And you do that.
why?
Are you kidding me, bro? And bro just died. Bro. She said, when will my mom go home? My eyes are killing me. And then she just died.
Oh, I fell.
Did she leave? Oh no.
Wait for me. Oh, it's at the second. I'm super tired. I think we're gonna play the facility.
Yeah, we're gonna play this facility. Okay, wait, I cannot chat, so I'm gonna borrow yours.
Alright, I'm gonna trade you.
Yes, let's go. Oh my gosh, I just forgot she cannot sleep. Eat sleeping pills. Bro, just ask your mom.
My battery's running out.
It's still 77. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Here, let me make you win.
Oh, thank God. Oh, that's how you do it. That's how.
Oh my god!
I thought you can do it. Lead the facility. Okay. I'm gonna trade you a steel.
Because we're still recording. Famous LOL.
Let's go play. Play the facility.
Yeah.
You leave first?
Yep. Okay, wait. Let's pause it first. And if anyone wants to, okay, I'm gonna pause it so they cannot see my password.
Okay.
Okay, hey guys. Okay, oh wait. We have to find a server. Okay, I'm gonna pause it first so you can find the server. Oh wait, actually, we're gonna make it into a separate video, so yeah. Bye guys, we're gonna make another recording for another video. Goodbye.